Akram and I just started a new project with U.S. State Department scanning vehicles, and what we do with those is make computer models out of them, and then we'll run these computer models to see how we think it's going to behave in a real crash test. These test installations are not cheap. You're looking at tens of thousands of dollars, and a crash test is about $50,000. So to run a crash test and have something fail, it's an expensive venture. And with these models, it substantially reduced the risk.
With simulation and a valid model, you'll be able to optimize the device, find the red flags. Where do I kind of not use material? Where do I use material? Where I need reinforcement, and bolting is enough, it's not enough, and then say, okay, this sounds to be, that's the right way to do, that's not the right way to do it.
The first model is typically the cost of a full-scale crash test, but beyond that, you're talking a couple $1,000s. So when you get into that price range, you can make many changes and see how the barrier performs before you go to the real full-scale crash test.
The beauty of simulation, you get measurements anywhere you want, because you don't have really an instrument, you just have a point and pick your point and follow that. And then you can put your camera, virtual camera, anywhere you want. And you cut the vehicle while it's moving, and you can see what's going on, and then hide the door, hide the fender, hide the engine. I will just see what the frame is doing during this impact.
We can take a barrier, physical security barrier, we could take a highway safety hardware device, and we could get that as a working product quicker than running multiple crash tests, changing little things at a time.
For example, for soil, posts underneath the soil, what they are how they are interacting with the soil. So you can see you're pushing the soil underneath and building the soil behind it. So all of these are nice. Sometimes you cannot watch them, period, with a physical camera.
Certainly nothing is as reliable as the real thing, but what it does is it gets us incrementally closer to where we need to be for the crash test to be successful.
The beauty of Riverside and our division is that we have the testing as well as the simulation part being done in the same spot. So you have people communicating with each other and how the best way to do it.